If you want to integrate Google Meet with Calendly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can automatically create Google Meet links for your scheduled Calendly events. This is a huge time saver if you book meetings, client calls, interviews, or team check-ins through Calendly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the availability option. This is where Calendly manages your scheduling and calendar connections, so go ahead and click on it. Next, select Calendar Settings. This is the area where you'll connect and manage your calendar integrations, including Google Calendar. If your Google Calendar is not already connected, you'll want to connect it now before moving forward. When you click to connect Google Calendar, Calendly may ask you to log in to your Google account. If you're already signed in, you may see your account appear automatically, and you can simply choose the correct one. If not, enter your Google login details and continue. After that, approve the integration if prompted. Google may show you a permission screen asking you to allow Calendly to access your calendar. This is an important step because it allows Calendly to check your availability and create meeting links properly. Take a second to review the permissions, then click Allow or Continue to move forward. Now, let the connection finish properly. Don't rush through this part. Give it a moment to sync everything because a clean connection helps avoid problems later when you create your meeting events. Once your Google Calendar is connected, go back and open Scheduling. This is where you manage your event types in Calendly. From here, select the specific event type you want to edit. For example, this could be a 15-minute call, a discovery meeting, or any other booking type you use. After opening the event type, scroll to the Location section. This is where Calendly decides how the meeting will take place. Click Add Location to choose a new meeting location option. From the list of available options, select Google Meet. Once you choose Google Meet, Calendly will automatically prepare to generate meeting links for bookings tied to that event type. This means your invitees will receive a Google Meet link without you needing to create one manually each time. After selecting Google Meet, click Save. This step is very important because it locks in your changes and applies the integration to that event type. And that's it. You've now integrated Google Meet with Calendly, which means your scheduling workflow is going to be much smoother and more professional. Every time someone books with you, the meeting location can be set to Google Meet automatically, saving you time and reducing manual work. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.